Okay. So in this section, I'll be talking about the reflect, share, and impact part of the online lesson module. In the reflect, we just have one section, and it's basically I'm going to ask the students four questions, and I want them to respond on Canvas and uh, like a discussion box. And um, the questions I want them to answer are: what is one thing you will remember about either Adolf Hitler or two FDR that keeps their legacies alive today? And what is the most significant impact either Hitler or FDR had on World War II? And then I would like them to also know how was Adolf Hitler able to rise to power? And what do you think of FDR's decision to enter World War II after Pearl Harbor? Should they have entered before? Uh, I think this section supports the learning objectives pretty well because it's testing their knowledge and understanding of everything that's been covered, and it also allows them to think longer and harder on the material, which will enhance understanding. And I always believe and think that um, it's very like asking questions after teaching something is very beneficial to both the students and the teachers because, well, first, it allows students to show everything they know, and it allows them to really think about it even harder than they might have before if there were no questions involved. But also for the teacher, it allows them to get feedback on what the students know and whether their teachings were clear or not, or if we need to spend more time on it. And overall, I feel like this section covered most of the four E's, and it was very effective, efficient, and I think it has engagement, but maybe not as engaging as others. But I feel like personally, as a student, whenever teachers have had given me questions after a lesson, I tend to pay closer attention, and I tend to think about what we just learned harder, which ultimately enhances our understanding of the material. And then for the share section, I'm going to have them share this to another Miss Smith's fifth grade class. And for the impact, our impact partners will be Mr. Smith's fifth grade students. Next week, they will be visiting our class to learn from you and through the projects and through pair share discussions. Uh, what is it important for fifth graders to know about Adolf Hitler and FDR's impact and involvement in World War II? And how will you be a thoughtful channel of information to the fifth graders? So basically, what I'm doing is I'm getting, uh, I'm having the students take everything that they learned in this lesson, and then they will create their own project, like I said in the apply section, and they will take this project and share it uh, to Mr. Smith's fifth grade students, which will then it'll not only impact the students because they get to learn from other people, and also it impacts the my actual students teaching the class or teaching the lesson or giving the presentation because it allows them to think longer and harder on everything we've learned, which I sound like a broken record, but it ultimately leads to greater understandings, and I feel like this was the best way to do it, and yeah, that's basically it for my online lesson module project. And oh, I guess here's the peer review criteria. Basically, just how they'll be graded over their presentation. It's not that serious of a project, so the points and whatnot aren't going to be like grade changing. But I think this activity is great for just deepening students' understanding of the material and the involvement impact of FDR and Adolf Hitler on World War II. So overall, this has been a great experience, and I honestly loved everything I've done in this W200 class, and I'm just thankful for the opportunity. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you all for listening.